Hello, this is an extra exercise spreadsheet. Alright, for this time you need to do some analysis for this data. As sales manager at ABC company, you need to analyze monthly sales data to advise top management to increase uh, futures income. Alright, so this is sales data. We have three product only: foods, clothes, and cosmetic. Starting from January, February, March, April, and May. So all this figure is about the sales. And then for this one is data about the cost. Okay. So this so cost for the food on January, February, March, April, and May. So this data you need to analyze. Alright. So first of all, we need to find the total. Total sale. So just using the simple formula and then copy it. So this one is total sale. I think we need to copy first before we can do anything. Go to second spreadsheet and paste it. So this is a total for every product. So this one is total for the sales. Alright, quite easy. So this one is a total for the costing. Okay. Alright, just copy and paste and then using the formulas. So this one is total cost. This one is total sales. Alright. So now we need to change to RM. So quite easy. Just right click and then pick from Excel. And then currency. Yes, RM. Okay. So some of a column there is not enough space. So you can adjust, go to the width, need to adjust auto. Double click for get the auto adjustment. Okay. Need to do the border of a table. Okay. Just using a copy and paste, so we cutting the time to done of our work. Okay, now we know the total sale. Okay, what is the question? Okay, question is profit for every product. Okay, copy first and then go to the second spreadsheet. So we can get the profit for every product. Yes, we already get for the no, we don't have a profit for any product. Okay, so now we create the other table. Okay, so now cost, product cost. So product cost, from here we copy here. Okay, and then we done. Okay, if you need. Okay, that is same. So sales minus cost, so we can get profit. Okay, so every product we need to know the profit. So just sales minus the cost. So we get this profit for the food is 21,000. Okay. For the clothes is 8,400. Cosmetic 70,100, and total profit is 100,000. Okay, alright. So what else we need to know? Profit for every product, yes, already get. Overall profit and loss, overall profit and loss. Yes, we get overall profit and loss. So we need to insert the other row, so it is easy to us to put in the overall profit. This thing is overall profit. Okay, and then what we need to know, identify product profit less than 50,000, less than 50,000. Okay, so that's mean every product we need to analyze less than 50,000. So profit %50. So we need to create daripada mana profit ni? Daripada cost lah. Page ni sepatutnya. Page 3. Daripada sini. So profit ni daripada sini. So berapa sebenarnya untuk cost? 0.5 15,000. Kalau dia kurang daripada 15,000, barulah kita kata sebagai low profit. Semua good profit. Maknanya melebihi daripada product cost. Okay, contohlah kita bagi rendah lagi ya. Okay, mungkin ini yang kita edit balik lah ya. Total sale. Kita rendahkan sale ya. Close 4,000. 500,000. 500. So 200. So dia akan so total sale 11,000. Product cost, katakan kita tinggikan product cost ni mana ni? Okay, untuk close okay, product cost ni kita 1,000. Okay, 5,000. Alright, so dia akan jadi negatif lah. Close. Sepatut negatif, yes, negatif pun. Dia negatif ni ada merah lah. Nampak tak? Dia dah tukar pada low profit. Okay, low profit. Okay, low profit sebab cost ni lebih tinggi daripada sale. So tengok sale dia 14,800 tapi cost dia 16,000. So lebih tinggi 1,800, lebih cost dia lebih tinggi daripada 1,800. So kita kata yang profit dapat less than 50,000 from the cost. So not good lah, low profit. Okay, dah dapat. So tugas kita sekarang nak kena buat present your analysis using Bachat. Okay, Bachat ni kita nak present apa? Monthly. Kita akan present monthly profit je lah. Okay, untuk graph ni. Monthly. Okay, this one. So profit dengan produk. So dua tu. So insert. So kita boleh tengok food benda profit ya. Okay. So inilah yang kita dapat secara jelasnya. Kita boleh nampak dia punya kosmetik lagi tinggi ya. So, seperti biasalah kita boleh add data. Plus ni negatif ni. Nampak sini kosong. Bawah, di bawah negatif. Itu nak kena cover balik lah. Kalau bisnes ni rugilah untuk berniaga close. So your recommendation close for this moment. Sebab ni musim PKP ni, bulan 3, 4, 5 orang jarang beli baju baru. Lebih kepada produk makanan dan juga kosmetik. Itu saja. Thank you.